Now that we've seen how redirections work, we can use this system to keep on handling our files. Let's have a look at a very simple command called sort. It will allow you to sort what you're giving it as arguments. So in this case, what you write on the standard input. So here we can see it sorted all users alphabetically. Be careful. This is a sorting that we call lexicographic, which means it's based on ASCII characters sorting, so uppercase are before lower cases. To not have this behavior, you've got options to sort numbers. There are also options to sort in reverse. Do a man sort and check out all of its options. Once you've sorted your output, you'll be able to retrieve just the first names, for example. In order to do that, you'll need the cut command, which will allow you to cut each line depending on a delimiter. So for example, if I cut with the option -D on a delimiter, I'll be able to retrieve the fields I've chosen. And if I only want the first fields, I'll just have to add -F with 1. As we've seen earlier on, if I add cat-e to display non-printable characters, I can see that there's a space after Maxime here. Something I wouldn't have noticed without the cat -e. The cut command is very powerful. It'll allow you to do many things. For example, retrieve multiple fields. You may also do a field sort. That should be quite practical to retrieve only informations that are important to you. In files like this, they will be separated by the same delimiter, dot, comma, etc. Once you've managed to get this result, let's say we keep those first names, we'll be able to modify them. For example, if I want to change Thomas with a small t to Thomas with a capital T, I can use the SED command, which is a very, very powerful command, which will allow you to make modifications on data flow. For example, you can ask it to turn Thomas with a small t into Thomas with a capital T. As we can see here, Thomas starts with a capital letter. So what does it do? The first character, the S, means we're going to substitute, meaning we're going to replace our second parameter by our third parameter. It's really simple. This is basic SED functionalities. However, we can do much more. I'll let you check it out for yourselves. Go have a look at examples on the internet. You can also do 1 out of 2 modification. We call those regex. Regex are on patterns, which also are very powerful if you know how to use them. The last file modification command that we'll see is called tr. For example, here we can see the accent in Melanie. I want to replace it by a normal E. tr is very simple. It takes 2 arguments. A character and the one that we're replacing it with. For example, if we use an X to replace the lowercase one in Xavier, it works. All those commands are pretty basic. Once again, check out their man. Check out the internet and test them out for yourselves to learn how they work.